70 years ago, a young professor at NYU had an idea that would save and protect millions of dollars worth of technology and create the strongest Air Force in history. His name was Joseph Keller, and at his desk he was solving certain equations about how light and radar are reflected by objects. At first, he wasn't sure where his curiosity would lead him. He thought perhaps he'd find the key to a better radar system, but instead, he developed the equations that led to stealth. There are always men and women like Joseph Keller, pioneers who can lead us into a new age. At the Air Force Office of Scientific Research, we're making sure they get that chance. As an integral part of the Air Force Research Laboratory, AFOSR manages the entire basic research investment of the Air Force and Space Force. Our goal is to find the newest, most revolutionary ideas in science and technology from around the world and use them to create tomorrow's air and space forces. Our target: the best scientific minds doing the most promising research. Our mission: focus their research to support Air Force warfighters and provide resources they need to do their work. At AFOSR, we're explorers. We're always discovering new scientific work to see which may have benefits for national defense. We keep vigilant watch for the Joseph Kellers, for breakthroughs like the one that led to stealth technology. We find them, and when we do, we invest in them. Investments that pay big time. AFOSR currently sponsors thousands of researchers in the United States and around the world. Since 1951, AFOSR has sponsored tens of thousands of researchers whose work continues to affect our lives daily, helping us to communicate and keeping us safe. While their fields and specialties may be different, these researchers have always shared two things: curiosity and a passion for their work. Basic research is the first crucial step in the process of scientific discovery. It's the step that requires patience and confidence. In basic research, one idea inspires another. One discovery raises more questions, and then new answers. Throughout this pursuit of knowledge, we enable technologies we hope for and technologies we never even dreamed of. Our researchers are visionaries. As they work, they're exploring ways that scientific discoveries can be applied to the Air Force, Space Force, and the community. The technology and knowledge we discover in basic research keeps America and our allies safe, and creates the next generation of weapon systems, and the next, and tomorrow's. Tomorrow's great idea is already waiting. Perhaps in a lab in Sydney, Australia, a classroom in Indiana, an office in California, or a base in Ohio. The Air Force Office of Scientific Research will find that idea, and when we do, we'll give it wings.